Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao from Hyderabad. Today, our topic of discussion is relating to the job work only. So in the previous video, we discussed about the job work from the job work giver, that is from the principal, that is job work out order processing. Now, today we will take up, I will share the screen. See. So in the previous example, job work out process we completed, that is the procedure and everything in the books of the principal. Now, what is job work? One person is giving the work to other person. So the other person who is getting the order and completing the work, he is called the job worker. So in the books of the job worker, he from the viewpoint of job worker, this order is called as job work in order because he is getting the order into his business and he is doing the work. That is why this is called job work in order. And how the job worker will process the job work in order. Okay. Now it's the same thing here also. So everything is the same, but in this case of this one, there will be no purchase, no will be sending goods. Just what you do is this, the procedure I will tell you. The job worker will get the order, that is job work in order, and then you will get the material, job work. For the job work, he will get the material. So he will record in the material in, and he will make the BOM for the manufacturing, and he will prepare the manufacturing voucher for the manufacturer, and he will manufacture the goods, and he will send back the goods, that is material out. He will send out the material, finished goods to the principal, and he will send a invoice also for the job work charges, that is sales invoice for the job work charges. He will send along with the goods and he will get back his amount. This is the procedure, the same thing. But here what to do is the procedure. First of all, we have to create the company and enable the job work order processing in F11. So that's what we know. So what we do is, so we create the company, job work in order company. Previously it was job work out order company. Now we are creating, I already created job work in order. So if you see that the creation of the company, everything is the same, no problem. After creating the company, directly if you create, we will go to the F11 features. Now I already created, that's why I am pressing F11. So in this case, so everything, maintain accounts, bill wise entry, then maintain inventory, integrated inventory with accounts with inventory, and this article, GST details, everything same. In addition to that, what we have to do is, we have to enable, it will be no. Okay. We have to enable job order processing. So that we have to make yes. So if you make cost tracking, if you make yes, also it is not of no use. Only it's whether you make it yes or no, it is not a problem. So job order processing, you have to make yes, then accept Control A and Control A. Okay, we completed. Now, what we do is, we have to go to, after that, that is completed, then we have to configure some required vouchers, because generally all the vouchers will be available, and when you are making the entry, we can open the voucher, and that voucher, and we can configure, we can enter the entries. But there are some vouchers which are to be configured. To open them, so they will be actually inactive. So in the vouchers, other vouchers, we have to go to show to inactive, and there we have to open that. We can open only here. We can activate and open, but we cannot configure. That is why for configuring, we have to go to alter button, then go to voucher types for configuration. So here we are getting only job work order into our business. So job work in order only is required. So go to job work in order, then make it yes. Make it yes. That is activate this voucher type, make yes. Okay, that's all. Only that, and then accept this. Only one activating, that's all. And then going to material, we'll get the raw material in, and we send out the finished product. It is called raw material out. So raw material in, if you go, so you activate that, activate this type voucher, okay. And then come down to the end, use for job work, make it yes. And in addition to that, we have to use test, use for job work in also. This is for job work in now. So only these two. These are allow consumption is not required. So I'll use for job work, use for job work in, both make yes, then accept. This is for material in. For material out, this also just deactivate. This is activate the voucher type, then come to the end, make it yes, that is use for job work yes, and use for job work in yes. There is no third option, only these two. So these three we have to do, and after that we have to create ledgers. So I have created all the ledgers, required ledgers. So here purchases are not required, actually sales are not required. So here the principal name is Kamal Garments. That is, I got a problem here. The same thing like the first problem in the job work out order. So I made it for the, I altered it and I made it for the job work in order. Same thing. See here, we received a job order, job worker. We are the job worker now recording. We received a job work order number from Kamal Garments from Hyderabad for cutting, stitching, and the ladies suit. 1,000 in that example it was 500. It is 1,000 here. We can make it 500 also, no problem. We can make it 500 or 1,000, no problem. 1,000 numbers, see at 60 rupees per piece. Raw material required. These are the raw material. These raw material, the order and the raw material are received on 1st April. We received the order, then we received the material on this date, and with finished goods due on 1/5. That is the duration of the process is 1 month, 1/5. So the worker, that is the work is completed and sent the finished goods and sent the finished goods on 1st. And then we received on 4th, and on 5th it is completed and sent back. The job work charges invoice also was sent on, on the same date with 18% GST, and the amount is received on 2nd. So 2nd we received the amount. This is the thing. So in this case, Kamal Garments. See, in this case, Kamal Garments is the sundry debtor. He is the worker, the principal giving work to us. So make it and then make sundry debtors, then maintain bill by bill, and you give the number also that is given in the problem. The number is given, make it. So I accept this. This is created, and then we create the, see here, see GST we create, and we create the GST details. That is, here we are giving the service to them and we will collect the money. That is why sales invoice we send. That's why it's get as this. We are sending output, that is outward supply of service. So outward supply, so it's called as output GST. You can read simply see GST as GST you can write, but the group will be duties and taxes. But you can make it as output GST also. For sales, output GST. For purchases, input GST. Like we can do that, or simply GST. So, but it is group is duties and taxes, GST, central tax, accept. Then output SGST. So duties and taxes, GST, state tax, X. If the required, the supplier from other supplier from other states, for that we can create IGST also. So output IGST also under groups. What you call duties and taxes under GST, but it is integrated tax. So like that we can create. So these are the things required. And I created State Bank of India also, that at the end it is given that received amount by check. That's why I created bank account. Okay. So these are the things we have to create. And then see here. So required vouchers we get in. Then required ledgers we have to created. Then go down some stock items we have to configure and create and configure. So go to go down. So go to go down. In this go down, we will create only one go down. We are getting the order. Along with that, we will get the material. We will store them in the job work. That is the go down is called as job work go down. Now it is coming into job work in go down. So we will store the finished goods there. Raw material, then we will manufacture. Finished goods also will keep there. From that go down, we will send. That is why we will create the go down name. So here, if in this case, main location is by default, it will say. So we won't alter that. We create a new one. It is called as job work in go down. Job work in go down. And here, in this case, you have to configure stock items and go downs. So in this case, this job work in go down we are opening, but in this we won't keep our goods. So other goods we will keep other persons. For that purpose, go to F12, go to the end. See here. Sorry. Go to the end. See, enable third-party stock details. So make it yes. So there is another options will come. Our stock with third party. No, our stock is not with anybody. The second one is third-party stock with us. That is the supplier, the person, job work giving person, the called principal. He sent the goods to us. So his goods are with us. That is why third party stock with us, make it yes. For this purpose only, this go down. We have to make yes. So that is configured, go down, created and configured. Then stock items will go create and configure. Okay, so stock items will go. So here I created the same thing, what is called meters and pieces. Okay, and here then group. So finished goods and raw material. So here we created finished goods and raw material. Okay, like okay. So we get the raw material, we send the finished goods. Then okay, then we'll come to stock items. So I have not created anything because here we require the problem, our problem, in our problem we require dupatta, raw material, dupatta, kurti and salwar. Finished product is ladies suit. So we have to create here we have to create dupatta. Dupatta, it is raw material. Okay, but here now these dupatta, salwar, all are purchased in meters. The ladies suit are made in pieces. So we require 2 units. So we have to take alternate units. So for alternate units, go to F12. See here, use alternate units. Make it yes. Use alternate units. Make it yes. So here it will come. So we will take the meters. So first one is meters, where they are sending in meters. We have to convert that into pieces. So meters we will take up meters, and then second one alternate use pieces. But and one piece is equal to 2.15 meter for the what you call for dupatta. See here, dupatta 2.15 meter. So 2.15 meter, and these tax details are not required for us because we are not bothered about the tax and the value of the goods. We require about the material received meters, and we convert into pieces. That's all. Amounts are not required. That is why what we have to do is I will tell you here. So dupatta we completed. The next one is kurti, 2 meters. So then kurti, it is also raw material. It is also meters, and it's alternate unit pieces. One piece is equal to 2 meters. Okay. So this is also accepted. Okay. And then salwar. This is also raw material. Meters we get in meters, and we make the alternate unit is pieces. One piece is equal to 2.5 meter. Okay, it's completed. And then, okay, and here, next one we create ladies suit, that is finished goods. Ladies suit. This comes under finished goods. So taking the finished goods, in this case, we make it in pieces, no alternate unit. So take in pieces, no alternate unit. Okay, and here we have to, in the case of finished goods, when we are creating, we have to prepare bill of material, that is list of components. So what are the components required to make 1 unit of the finished goods? That's why here we have to take that is the bill of material. For that, go to F12. See, after these alternate units, set, because in the first time, set alternate component details. Afterwards, next again, if you open it, it will show alter. So set component list or bill of material for stock items, make it yes, and accept this. Now here, additional details, it will show set components. First time you are doing. So here, make it yes. So here, make it yes. Ladies suit is the material. So we require the name we have to give. Ladies suit only we will give. Ladies suit is the name of the BOM we have given. So to make one piece, see it is in pieces. To make one piece, what are the things required? Okay. So here we will get the material after this. We will get the material order. We will get the material, and this material we will keep in the in the raw material go. Job work go down. So here item is dupatta, go down is job work go down, and here what is the meters required? For the first one we require 2.15, 2 and 2.5. So 2.15 meter we require for one piece. 2.15 meter required. That is one piece. Then kurti. Then kurti also in job work did go down, and it requires 2 meters. And then salwar, it is also from job work go down. We will use it, and it is for it we required is 2.5 meter. So this is the material we receive, and these rates are not required. Okay, and okay, this is over. So we created the goods, stock items, and for the finished goods we created the BOM also. So when you are manufacturing, we can use the BOM when you are getting the order also. Okay. Now we completed the creation and everything we completed. See here we completed everything. Okay. So ledgers we created, godowns we created and have configured, stock items we created and configured the stock items. And the bill of material, BOM also we prepared along with the stock items. Now we will get the job work order we will receive. So here we will receive job work order. So in this case, in the job work order, we made configuration. So what we do is, here, not ledgers, alter, go to voucher types. So here, job work in order. In the job work in order, we are getting, here we have to do one thing. So when you are entering that, the price of the material which we received, we are not bothered. We are not, we need not enter the price of the goods. We have to enter only the charges we take. We charge the money for the work. So that charges only we will enter. And the total price of the goods, we are not bothered. That's why without entering the rates, we enter only the quantity. Quantity, units we will enter, amount we will not enter. So if you want to enter without amount, the voucher is to be accepted. To accept the voucher, what you have to do is allow zero value transaction. If you don't give any value, it will accept. If otherwise, it will not accept. So make it yes. So for job work order as well as material in also, see here, material in here also make it yes. And the material out we are sending, then also we will enter only our charges only. Here, zero value tag, make it also yes. So this one, we have to make yes because we have to enter without money, without amount, without value, we enter only the quantity. So now what we do is we get the job work in order. So job work in order, go to, for opening we have to go here because there is no short key. Here we activated that. That's why job work in order, there is no short key. That's why we have to open in the F10 only here. And date is 1/4 only. I will check out what is the date we entered. So no entry so far. So here, so job work in order 1/4. So here the date is on 1/4. We received the order and material also. So here, party name is here. Kamal Garments is the party, and here we have to see dispatch through. They will send by auto, for example, because only small material auto they will send, and the mode of payment they may pay by it is agreement NEFT, and the process is will take up 30 days. Will take up 30 days, and the process is cutting, stitching with packing. So this is the packing. This is the process. Accept. Now it is accepted. Now we will give an order number. So here that order number is, you see here, order number. See, you can copy this or you can type JWA means job work in order. Okay, so we will paste it, no problem. Job work in order. Then what is the order? Preparation, making of lady suit. So lady suit will take up lady suit, and here that is track the components, because we prepared the bill of material. With the help of that, we have to track the components for this. And due, when it is due after 30 days means we will take up 1/5, and the godown will be only job work material, godown only. Raw material received, order received, raw material received, dispatched, everything only job work godown. So here job work godown, and the quantity here. What is the quantity to make? The order is for 1000 numbers. So lady suit, we have to make 1000 numbers lady suit. Now if you click that, we will go to the material requirement. That is for this one, what are the different materials required? If you go this, negative stock it is showing because we have not received any stock. That's why it is showing negative. Okay. See here, the lady said job work in godown and 1000 pieces. Now work is 1000 pieces, and the components we have to make the components with the help of lady suit is the name of the BOM. Now come down. So here, in the case of job work out order, we have to send the goods. That's why here in this one, it will show pending to dispatch, pending to issue. But here it is in order. We have to receive the material. So we have not received, we are receiving the order only. That's why pending to receive. This is pending to receive. We have to receive the material. Due date is 1/5. job work material only, job work go down only. And see here, for one piece, 2.15 meters. For 1,000 pieces, 2,150 meters required. So it is a, we gave the pieces in the first page. In the first page, we gave pieces, 1,000 pieces. Now here it is giving material. Okay. And here we have to give the rate, but we are not bothered about the rate of this material. Just take that without rate 15, and then job work, everything. And then third one, 15, job work go down, material required. So this is all. So these are all the materials required, but we are not giving any price. We are not bothered about the price. Okay. And here, next, going back to the first page again, we go to the first page here. So 1,000 pieces, what are the components required? But here, what is the price? Rate. Rate means here we will give, we won't bother about the price. We give only our charges. See, 60 rupees per piece means for 1,000, it is 60 rupees per piece. Per piece, it is 60 rupees. So it will be 60,000 rupees. So this is the order we received. Okay. And after that, what will happen? After that, we receive the material in. We receive the material. Now go to the other vouchers. Same day we receive material in. See the material in voucher. There is no short key. Material in voucher on the same date. From where we are receiving? From Kamal Garments against this order. Against this order. So to the next paying auto. And here we know destination. Our destination is Kokatpalli, for example. Kokatpalli. This is called Navata. That is the name of the transporter. The company number, the transporter's bill number, that is LR number, 14, motor vehicle number I will take up, TS08, some number we give. So this is the order we are receiving, then we know the material. And source doc go down. Source doc, from where it is coming? From the, principal. So his go down we will not maintain in our books. So that we are not bothered about the source go down. So make it not applicable. Now here, for this material, these are the material we receive. So we receive 2,150 meters, 2,150 meters, 1,000, 2,500 meters for 1,000 pieces. We are receiving. So all the material here, it will go the order number, and which go down we get to job. 1 minute, I will tell you. Before that, we'll do one thing. We will go to, in the stock summary, we will not have anything. In the P&L account balance sheet, we don't have anything now. We see the job work reports. So display more reports, go to job work. You see here, this is the order. Order is pending. And then go to components. These are the components required. They are also pending. When not received, received order. So the order pending is 1,000 here pieces. 1,000 pieces is the order. It is pending. Material required is in meters. This is the material required. So job work in order we received. We received the job work in order. If you click Alt F1, we will know the name of the product. So this is the party name and product. So there may be many orders. All the list will be shown here. And then out order they are not required. And in register. In means material we have to receive. We have not received so far. So no material in. Material out also after making that finished product we will send. That is also not sent. So it is not shown. Okay. And then if you go to inventory books, go to this one. Go to this one. We have not received anything in the go down. Okay. So like this we have. Now we will go to the voucher material in from this one and against the order, and here destination Kokatpalli, Navata, some number I have given. Okay. 14 we received, then TS08, some number. Okay. Accepted. And then it is not applicable. And dupatta, see order number, job work order, and then the meters. How many material received for 100 pieces? 2,150 meters. And dupatta is the component of ladies. It should be there. Be careful. Check up. And here we need not enter any money. We are not bothered about the money because the rate per amount, rate per the meter. So that rate we are not required. Okay. Okay, over. And then come to kurti. There also order number, job work, go down 2,000 meters. And here component of ladies suit. This is kurti also component. Okay. Then no amount we received. We did not enter any amount. And salwar, this is also the same order. Job work go down, meters received. And here rate we are not giving. So this is also component of ladies suit. Okay. Okay, that's over. Okay. So with this, we received the material. Okay. Now, you see, we will go to, but it is not our material. That is why in the stock summary, we will not show, and profit and loss account, no purchases, nothing will be shown. So here, go to display more reports, go to job work reports, go to order. So order is pending. Then go to components, nothing is shown because previously the order we received, the material also pending. Now we received the material. That is why there is no components, and in order it is there already, and out register nothing is there, we have not yet sent, but material we received. So material in book register we get this. If you see that, sorry, if you see Alt F1, we will receive all the 3 material. Okay, so that's why. So we received this. Okay, and now we prepared the bill of material, we received that. Now what to do is we have to manufacture the goods. The same day we will manufacture. So we see what is given here. Completed on the same day, finish the goods and with finished goods due on 1/5. 1/5 have to send the goods. So manufacturing also will take up 1/5. We have to manufacture the goods. For manufacturing the goods with the help of the BOM, for 1 unit, what is the material required? For 1,000 pieces, what is the total amount required? Total units, total material required. For that, we have to go to voucher, and here we have to create one voucher called as manufacturing voucher. So here we will do that in the alter button only. In the alter button, go to voucher type. So manufacturing journal is not there. Then create. We will go to manufacturing voucher or journal, both are same. And it also comes under stock journal only. It is related to stock. So stock journal will take up, and everything will take up automatic. And here also in this zero value transactions, we make it as, because we don't enter any amount. And here we enter only quantity. And here, this is very important at the end. This manufacturing voucher is used as manufacturing journal. They make it, yes. Use as manufacturing journal, yes. Otherwise, it will not manufacture. Okay. So that is a thing. Now we go to voucher and go to other vouchers. Go to manufacturing vouchers. For this, Alt is there. Alt F7. You can, from vouchers, Alt F7. You can do this on 1st April only. Or manufacturing, you can take up 1st May. Okay. 1st May, we will complete the manufacturing and we will take up. Okay. So here, this is a manufacturing of material, because it is given manufacturing material, because in the voucher, when you are activating at the ending, use as manufacturing journal, we gave that. Because of that, it is showing manufacture of journal. Okay. In the manufacturing voucher, what is the name of the product? Ladies suit. If you give that, immediately the name of the BOM is ladies suit. It will take that, and the material also it will show. So here, see here, the name of the BOM, ladies suit. Godown is job work godown only. But here, all the material required, all the materials are shown. But what is the quantity required is not given. So if you take for 1 unit, 1 piece, we prepare the bill of material. For how many pieces you have to enter? 1,000 pieces you have to make, we have to manufacture. If you give that, then it will show the material required. So here, so 2,150, 2,000, 2,500. So all these we will enter, and money we need not enter because we are not giving anything. You can enter money also. If you enter money, all the amount also will show up. Okay. Now, you see, now if you see, go to, nothing will be shown here. Go to this one. Go to, job work returns. Order is pending. Still not sent now. Okay. 1 minute here. Over. And then here, this is the material we received. So this is as per the order. Okay. Now, after that, the order is pending, is not yet completed. The order is not completed. We manufactured that. Then we go to here. Now we completed. We will say this. So here, job work reports, orders is not yet completed. Order is pending. We have to send now. Okay. And now components is nothing is pending. In order, it is showing, it is not pending, it is showing. Always it will be there, whatever order we receive. And then in register we received, and out register nothing, we are not yet sent. Okay. Now on 1st May we manufactured. Now what we will do after manufacturing that? What we will do? See here, material in, manufacturing voucher, then material out. We will send back the material, along with we will send the sales invoice also for the job work charges. Okay. So now what we do is we will go to vouchers on 2nd May, 1st May only. 1st May only. So here material is there. So we are sending the material, go to other vouchers, go to material out. So go to material out. Where we are sending? We are sending to Kamal Garments. So take that as per this one, as per this order. And here next they will pay. And here we are sending the material. So we have to give the dispatch document number. That is, if you are sending in DC number, auto, destination hours is Kokatpalli and Navata. Okay. And number is, we will give that number. And it is, we are sending it in 2nd May. 2nd May, vehicle number TS07, some number you are giving. Okay. 30 days completed. Okay. Accepted. So here also, destination go down. So their source go down, from there we received. We are not giving you, give it as not applicable. Now we are sending to the other go down, that is the principal go down. So that principal go down we will maintain in our books. That's why this also you take that go down, either source go down or destination go down, you take as not applicable. See now here the lady suit, that is the finished product we are sending. Now we are sending 1,000 pieces. We are sending 1,000 pieces. We are sending 1,000 pieces, 60 rupees per piece. We gave that rate, only the making charges. So this one, as per this order, job work in go down, and your component not applicable. This is not a component, finished goods. That's why component of the other case, 3 cases, it is showing as component of lady suit. But here this is the finished product. That's why there is not a component. 1,000 pieces, 60 rupees, 6,000 rupees. And here material out we are sending. Okay. We sent the material out. Now you see. So go to display reports. Go to this one. Order. See, that is completed and sent. So order is not pending. Components are not pending. Material in order. Okay. Material in order. We received the material. Okay. At here now, material out also we sent with the material also. So there we sent the material also to Kamal Garments. We sent the lady suit 1,000 pieces. Say when you received this, we received, see, when we received 2,050 meters, 2,000 meters and 2,500 meters, all meters we received. When we are sending, our order is pieces. So we sent the material in pieces, 1,000 pieces. Okay. Right. So the material which you received will show in the meters, and the order and raw material, finished goods sent back will show in units only, because we convert them into units. And along with this, we send the invoice also, that is on date 2nd May only, 1st May only. 1st May only we are sending. So we are sending the invoice, sales invoice, selling the service. So F8 you have to take on the same date. To whom we are sending? We are sending to Kamal Garments. So go to Kamal Garments, and here order is completed. So nothing, we need not give anything here. Okay. And accept this. And now here we are giving the sales invoice. But this invoice, is it any goods? No. We are giving selling service only. That is why name of item is not required. Sales ledger not required. So go to Control H, change mode, come down to make it as accounting invoice, because this is a service. So Kamal Garments. So accept. Now what are giving? We are giving job work charges we are taking. So job work charges, for these job work charges, we did not make any configuration. For him, along with the cost of the goods, this is also to be added. That's why we made that allow additional expenses. But here is not required. Here we take up, what is the amount? 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees. And here we have to take charge also. That is GST also. So CGST if you give output CGST, and SGST also, output SGST, 70,800 rupees. Okay. Now if you go, see here. So in the reports, You see in the account, so if you go to inventory books, so go down. So previously it will show in the go down, now it is not showing because I did not see that. Okay. And after that, and we go to statement of accounts. If you go to statement of accounts, outstanding, we have to receive the money, go to receivable, see Alt F1. So for on the invoice number, Kamal Garments, 70,800 rupees, including tax. We have to receive the money. Okay. And then if you go to job work reports, no orders are pending, no components are pending, job work in order is there, job in material out in register, material out register, everything is there. Okay. Now what you do, you should do profit and loss account. See here, previously nothing is there, but here job work charges income, direct income we create. It is a direct income created, job work charges 60,000. It is a profit here. So that's only this one. No sales purchases, only sale of service. So 60,000 rupees is the profit. Go to balance sheet. Here 60,000 rupees is the profit. On the credit side it is showing, liability side. So Alt F1, you see the details. Taxes and the duties and taxes, 10,800 rupees we are collecting the GST. Okay, 70,800 rupees is the sundry debtor. 60,000 plus 10,800 rupees. Total 60,000, 70,800 rupees is the sundry debtor. And here 10,800 rupees tax is payable and 60,000 rupees the expenses. That is the income. For us, it is a profit. So it is showing. Now, what is given here? It is the amount is received on second by check. So here we receive the amount on second, the same second 25. We receive means what you call F6 is the receipt. So from where you are getting? We are getting from not job work charges. It is entered in the Kamal Garments. Now we are getting from the Kamal Garments. Here 70,800 rupees you are receiving against reference bill number, and then through State Bank of India, because we are getting through check, we enter in our bank. So State Bank, otherwise we will enter in cash. State Bank of India, and here check or DD. So we will give some number, check or DD, and their bank. Our bank is State Bank. What is their bank? Click, press the space bar, then select, specify the bank name. So their bank is HDFC Bank. So I have received the job work charges. Okay. Now if you see and go and see profit and loss account, it will be there. It's a profit, income. And here it's you see here. So this will be as it is. But here, sundry debtors is closed because they paid the money. That money we received. So received into the bank. So it is closed. Debtor is closed. But bank account is showing. So if you go to ledger, DAL, see here, job work charges, income it is showing, and Kamal Garments, see here, Kamal Garments is a debtor first for sales, and then we received the money and everything. Okay, so GST, this is GST, GST you have to pay. So like this, we complete the, what you call, we finish the job work in order. So in this case, you see the problems, number one. So number two, it is the same problem as number three. Number three here, making the pressure cooker. Okay. So this is the number three. You take in the books of the, here is given, principal name is there. Principal name. So job work is just job work in order company. You can take it. Means money more stores is the principal. So this is the thing. See that problem number three. And according to that, you take the material, everything here under numbers. Okay. There may be more, but we received only the exact numbers, 100 numbers. And number problem 2 and number problem 3, I have given a computer assembling. So this also you check up. So these problems, you see, problem number 1 also you try again on your own. And number 2, this is the problem number 2, you check up. And this is the problem number 3 here. So this is that problem number 3. And the last one is GST. That is job work charges, always GST 18% only. Make entries in our books means in the job worker book. So this also you pass the video and you see the problem. You try these 3 problems. One, you make it twice or thrice. You will get the knowledge. And I hope you will get the knowledge. And please subscribe, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And then click the bell icon and select all so that you will get the notification for all the videos which I upload, and you share my channel with all the people. Okay, and in my channel also, all the videos you save in the serial number order I uploaded, you will get a very good knowledge and you become a good accountant. And if you have any doubts, see the video again and again, work it, that is, make practice. Even then, if you have any doubt, you please post your doubts or anything in this comment section. Don't forget to post the comment, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Next video will be very small video and very simple video. Okay, we'll go. Thank you.